Hi, I'm Danny Sullivan, General Manager at Tech Renovations. In this residential roofing segment, I will cover the details of slate tile roofing solutions. For a classic looking aesthetic, a slate tile roof is an elegant choice for your home. Slate tiles have been used for centuries on homes across the world. The oldest known record for slate tiles being used as roofing materials dates back to 1300 CE. This makes slate tiles one of the most durable, time-tested roofing materials used on the market today. Authentic slate roofs are beautiful, resilient, and long-lasting. Available in colors ranging from standard grays and blacks to various hues of purples, blues, and greens, slate tiles can suit a wide range of tastes. Slate tiles are also available in square or rounded scalloped shapes to suit your home's aesthetics. With an average installment lifespan of 50 years, slate tiles are among the sturdiest residential roofing materials available. However, slate roofs, like clay and concrete tiles, are among the heaviest roofing materials on the market today, and not all homes can handle their added weight. If this is the case for your home, don't worry. Tech Renovations expert roofing technicians can discuss all roofing options during your free roofing inspection and project estimate. They can discuss whether your home's structural integrity can handle the added weight of a slate tile roof, or whether you may want to use a more lightweight alternative that resembles slate tiles. So why would you choose slate tile roofing for your home? With its classic aesthetic and wide range of colors to choose from, it's understandable why slate tiles are the premier choice for homeowners today. However, there are additional benefits to choosing slate tiles for your residential roofing solution. First, durability. Slate tiles are one of the most durable residential roofing materials available today. Some premier slate tiles have been rated to resist winds of up to 130 miles per hour. Additionally, slate roofing tiles, depending on the quality, can have up to a Class 4 impact resistance rating. The highest protection you can get to resist hail damage. There are different levels of impact resistance, from Class 1 to Class 4, Class 4 being the highest level of impact resistance, able to withstand the impact from a 2-inch steel ball dropped from 20 feet without splitting or tearing. Second, long lifespans. Slate tiles have one of the longest lifespans of any residential roofing materials. Slate tiles have been known to last for up to 50 years or more. Slate tiles can also have long-term value to your home, as they don't need to be replaced for a very long time, just repaired when needed. Third, warranties and workmanship. Our team works with only the best slate roofing tile products in the market. The highly skilled roofing technicians at Tech Renovations also back all of our services with our premier workmanship warranties. No surprises, only satisfaction when you trust Tech Renovations with your residential roofing installation or repairs. When you're ready to install a new roof or replace an existing one, Tech Renovations is here to help. We provide free consultations and estimates. We also pride ourselves in helping homeowners navigate all of the technical details and options to ensure they make the right buying decision based on knowledge, their desired roofing requirements, and budgets. Tech Renovations has been providing exceptional service to homeowners in both Kansas and Missouri for over 20 years. And we have a passion for perfection. From roofing inspections to new installations, maintenance, and repairs, our highly skilled crews of roofing technicians' attention to detail is what sets us apart. We are a Better Business Bureau A+ rated company, and we have a 5-star Google rating. We're certified, licensed, and insured. Give us a call or visit our website to learn more about all of our residential roofing solutions, to view our work, and request a free residential roofing consultation and estimate. Tech Renovations, we take great pride in providing every customer with our white glove treatment. It's what sets us apart from our competition, and we look forward to providing you with the very best residential roofing products, services, and satisfaction.